Welcome. Today we are diving into a fascinating data structure known as the binary index tree, or Fenwick tree. It is a powerful tool often used in competitive programming to solve range query problems efficiently. Let's start with the problem it solves. Imagine you have an array of numbers, and you need to do two things frequently: update the value of a specific number and calculate the sum of numbers from the start up to a certain index, known as the prefix sum. If we use a standard array, updating a value is fast, but calculating the sum requires adding up all elements every time, which is slow. If we use a pre-calculated prefix sum array, getting the sum is fast, but updating a value requires recalculating the entire array. We need a middle ground that makes both operations fast. Enter the Fenwick tree. Proposed by Peter Fenwick in 1994, it's a data structure that stores partial sums. It cleverly uses the binary representation of indices to balance the trade-off, allowing us to perform both updates and queries much faster than standard approaches. The secret sauce of the Fenwick tree is the least significant bit, or LSB. By using the bitwise operation x and negative x, we can isolate the last one bit in a number. This LSB value determines the range of responsibility for each node in our tree. Here is how it looks visually. Instead of every index storing just its own value, some indices store the sum of a range. For example, index 4 covers indices 1 through 4, while index 6 covers indices 5 and 6. The length of the range is determined by the position of that least significant bit. To update a value, we don't just change one cell. We add the value to the current index, and then move up the tree to update all ranges that include this index. We do this by repeatedly adding the least significant bit to our current index. To get a prefix sum, we do the reverse. We start at our query index and move down the tree, accumulating the partial sums stored at each node. We move down by repeatedly subtracting the least significant bit from our index until we reach 0. The beauty of this structure is its efficiency. Since the height of the tree is logarithmic, both updating and querying take big O of log n time. It uses big O of n space, just like a normal array, and is incredibly short to implement, often taking less than 15 lines of code. In summary, the Fenwick tree is the go-to structure for dynamic prefix sums. It relies on binary logic, uses one-based indexing, and is a must-know algorithm for any serious programmer. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.